Cabo and welcome to my cashbox. Inside this video, we go show now how you go to withdraw from your cashbox. So for do that, you go open your cashbox to say you want pull money for. Now I don't open this my cashbox. So for withdraw, I press this green button. So you see, I get the option we see make a withdrawal. So I currently get 24 loans inside my cashbox. Now this cashbox I be set and see I go want for the pull money at any time. And I make you see when I press, I get the option we say make a withdrawal. So I proceed, press make a withdrawal. Now inside this my cashbox where I get this 24 loans, almost I want pull. Now all I want pull on a sum. So I don't want for pull all. I just need 10 loans. I can just put any reason. You put any reason, and then you go hold on while the app they calculate the fees. That's how it's in the cashbox will take when they make withdrawal. Okay, so you don't show me the fee where I go pay for this 10 loans so I the withdraw when I 0.20, and this one I will get inside my mobile money when I this may have free money. So for proceed, I swipe for continue. So you submit the request. So you want to see success. I don't pull 10 loans come on the cashbox. So now the balance we can reduce. You see, the balance will reduce. I'll go for 10 loans because I don't pull 10 loans. If again you want for pull pan this after you go down the ad, now the same process. Just open your cashbox, press the green button. So now you dey land for pull money. Now so you dey make withdrawal from your cashbox. Hopefully you don't land our day. And thank you for your time we spent for watching this video.